Join this affiliate program. Just like the other affiliate programs I have posted about, this affiliate program is a good addition for your affiliate marketing portfolio. You can make a good commissions month after month. Check this out. Battery Tender sells car batteries, battery chargers, jump starters, inverters, car battery testers and other accessories. Think about this. Billions of people have cars and batteries are needed to keep them running. Batteries fail and need jumping or replacing every day all day. That means your opportunity to make money is huge. Selling automotive battery-related products is easier than many niches since cars are everywhere. Car battery products keywords are searched for over 300,000 times per month. This provides a great opportunity for you to make sales using keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $129 plus and affiliates receive 8% of each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links in search engine results. This is a good affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.